it's me, Cold That's Awesome. Today we're gonna show you how to build a Lego set my dad got. It is his, so it's like it's very old, but none of the pieces are dirty because he never opened it. This is like the front of the box. Today we're just gonna build the first one. Then we're going to move on to the second one and then do the third one and the fourth one. But those are in later videos, not today. So this is the front you're already seeing. This is the back. This is like the top of the box. This is the side of the box. And this is like all the Lego pieces we have to work with. this is our finishing results. This is we built in like a couple seconds ago. We did 3 parts. That's why we had to we did it. I was just in real life we did though. So we're gonna show you how it works. So this is able to twist one way, because like I really think this way is actually can't turn because it's gonna break it. Because this is very old, so like probably you know how to make it twist the other way. So if you pump this and like it falls back, but there's like a little lever right here, and like when you boop, it's not coming up because it's not self-control. And this is like how you're able to pick up cars in like real life. So I'll show you other mechanics, not only this. I really thought this came off because it looks like a robot. And like we basically showed you all the mechanics. There's not this much to this thing. Like and subscribe if you're new. Just smash that subscribe button. Or if you're old, just smash it anyway. If you're new, also smash that like button. And if you are old, just smash that like button anyway. Bye. Have a great time.